Now, over the last 5 days, the Central Bureau of Investigation has called for interrogation several individuals who were either considered close to Sushant Singh Rajput or they were staying with him in his last few days. And two of them are his close friend Siddharth Patani and his cook Neeraj. Now, in this segment, we want to focus on possibly who could be lying and why. Why do we suspect that someone is lying? Because there are contradictions in the statements that these two individuals have given out publicly. Siddharth Patani says that we were very worried when SSR did not open the door. On the other hand, cook Neeraj in his statement says that Patani was not worried. He was very calm. Now, someone is lying definitely as far as these statements are concerned. Now, Patani further goes on to say, we wanted key maker gone before opening the door. The cook says Patani waited for key maker to leave. Now, once again, the two of them giving out statements related to the things that happened when the key maker was called to open the door of Sushant's bedroom, which they were not able to open. Apart from that, there are several versions which were in fact seen as telltale signs, and they were perhaps ignored. I want to play that out as well here on the big screen for you. What were those telltale signs? Possibly they are also testimony of those people who in fact had who were considered close to Sushant Singh Rajput's family. One of them says that there was no sense of mourning in Sushant's home on the day when his death was reported. There was, it seems, business as usual in the kitchen with other flatmates going about cooking their food. His flatmates cooked a feast that day is what the family sources have told us. Apart from that, there is a statement from one of the neighbors of Sushant Singh Rajput who says that Sushant Singh switched off lights at 10:30 p.m. on 13th June, which is quite unusual because the neighbor says that actually the lights of his house were switched on till about 4 a.m. Sometimes in the morning. So this was quite unusual, and it was unusually early for Sushant to switch off the lights that night of his bedroom. Sushant Singh Rajput's expensive watches, cash as well went missing. This is what sources close to Sushant Singh Rajput's family have told your channel. Now, looks like they took time to clean out locker as well. Now, there were individuals in the flat. There is no question about it. At the same time, there are also conflicting reports and also suspicious aspects as to autopsy report mentions no time of death. This is the most curious thing. An autopsy report should mention a time of death, but it does not mention in Sushant Singh Rajput's case. His house helps claim that he drank juice at 10:30 a.m. in the morning. And is that corroborated in the post-mortem report? Post-mortem listed an empty bladder. If he did drink juice, then how come the post-mortem is listing an empty bladder? Now, that is another area which the CBI would also be investigating, why these contradictions are coming in. But at the same time, as far as Sushant Singh Rajput's flatmate Siddharth Patani's role is concerned, or his relationship with Riya and Sushant is concerned, there are several theories and speculations which are being floated. This is what he told Navika Kumar in an earlier interview. Listen in.
Siddharth Patani, yes. I want to ask you one question, and that question is, इतनी सारी आपने किताबें दी और आपने की मेकर के आने का इंतजार किया, फिर की मेकर के जाने का इंतजार किया. In this interim, आपको कभी ये नहीं लगा कि शायद मेरा जो बॉस है, मेरा जो दोस्त है, वो he would need some immediate help, तो मैं कैसे उठाऊंगा उनको?
वो इमीडिएट हेल्प करने के लिए घर में दीपेश सावंत था, मैं था, केशव और नीरज थे, और कुछ ही देर में नीतू दीदी भी आने वाली थी because I was in touch with
नीतू दीदी had the duplicate key?
No, नीतू दीदी did not have any duplicate key.
Who had the key?
We looked the entire house. There was no. We did not find the duplicate key. That's why we called the key maker to come and
key to the house.
We have the key to the house, yes. वॉचमैन को इंटीमेट करा था वॉचमैन को कि बॉस घर में दरवाजा लॉक है, आप तुरंत आप ट्राई करो कि आपकी कॉन्टैक्ट में कोई की मेकर है क्या. लेकिन दिस गाय वाज नॉट रेस्पॉन्डिंग ऑन टाइम.
So that was Siddharth Patani's flip-flop version in his interview to your channel. At the same time, Sushant Singh Rajput's neighbor, in fact, has also been speaking to media, and she says that there was something unusual that day that she noticed. Take a listen to what she had to tell us.
लाइट जो है 10:30 पौने 11 बजे सब बंद कर दी गई थी।
जी जी।
सिर्फ एक किचन की लाइट ऑन थी और कभी भी हमेशा कभी ऐसे उसकी लाइट कभी ऑफ होती नहीं थी। 7 बजे तक जागता था। बट उस दिन जो आप लोग बोल रहे पार्टी थी, कोई पार्टी नहीं हुई, कुछ नहीं हुआ।
तो आपको लग रहा है कि कहीं कुछ लाइट, क्योंकि जनरली ऐसे आप कह रहे हैं नहीं,
जनरली लाइट ऑफ नहीं होती है, सो दिस वाज कंप्लीटली ऑफ।
तो मतलब कहीं
समथिंग समवेयर, आई डोंट नो व्हाट इट इज।
ओके मैम।
लाइट जो है 10:30 पौने 11 बजे सब बंद कर दी गई थी।
जी जी।
सिर्फ एक किचन की लाइट ऑन थी और कभी भी हमेशा कभी ऐसे उसकी लाइट कभी ऑफ होती नहीं थी। 7 बजे तक जागता था। बट उस दिन जो आप लोग बोल रहे पार्टी थी, कोई पार्टी नहीं हुई, कुछ नहीं हुआ।
तो आपको लग रहा है कि कहीं कुछ लाइट, क्योंकि जनरली ऐसे आप कह रहे हैं नहीं,
जनरली लाइट ऑफ नहीं होती है, सो दिस वाज कंप्लीटली ऑफ।
तो मतलब कहीं
समथिंग समवेयर, आई
ओके
डोंट नो व्हाट इट इज।
ओके मैम।
लाइट जो है 10:30 पौने 11 बजे सब बंद कर दी गई थी।
जी जी।
सिर्फ एक किचन की लाइट ऑन थी और कभी भी हमेशा कभी ऐसे उसकी लाइट कभी ऑफ होती नहीं थी। 7 बजे तक जागता था। बट उस दिन जो आप लोग बोल रहे पार्टी थी, कोई पार्टी नहीं हुई, कुछ नहीं हुआ।
तो आपको लग रहा है कि कहीं कुछ लाइट, क्योंकि जनरली ऐसे आप कह रहे हैं नहीं,
जनरली लाइट ऑफ नहीं होती है, सो दिस वाज कंप्लीटली ऑफ।
तो मतलब कहीं
समथिंग समवेयर, आई
ओके
डोंट नो व्हाट इट इज।
ओके मैम।
So curiously, the neighbor says that something somewhere was amiss that day. Something was unusual in the activity in the house, and there were about 3 other people apart from Sushant Singh Rajput who were in the house on the day of his death. One of them is his friend Siddharth Patani. The other one is the cook Neeraj. And in their statements given out to the media and to the CBI so far, there have been several inconsistencies that we have been pointing out. Now listen in for yourself. The flip-flops that you can in fact make out in Siddharth Patani's statements that he's been giving out. This is his conversation with our managing editor Navika Kumar.
Siddharth Pitani, I want to ask you one question, and that question is, इतनी सारी आपने किताबें दी और आपने की मेकर के आने का इंतजार किया, फिर की मेकर के जाने का इंतजार किया। इन दिस इंटरिम आपको कभी ये नहीं लगा कि शायद मेरा जो बॉस है, मेरा जो दोस्त है, वो ही वुड नीड सम इमीडिएट हेल्प, तो मैं कैसे उठाऊंगा उनको?
वो इमीडिएट हेल्प करने के लिए घर में दीपेश सावंत था, मैं था, केशव और नीरज थे। और कुछ ही देर में नीतू दीदी भी आने वाली थी, बिकॉज़ आई वाज इन टच विद
नीतू दीदी हैड द डुप्लीकेट की?
No, Neetu Didi did not have any duplicate key.
Who had the key?
We looked the entire house. There was no. We did not find the duplicate key. That's why we called the key maker to come and.
And key to the house?
We have the key to the house. Yes. Watchman को intimate करा था watchman को कि बॉस घर में दरवाजा लॉक है, आप तुरंत आप ट्राई करो कि आपकी कॉन्टैक्ट में कोई की मेकर है क्या। लेकिन दिस गाय वाज नॉट रेस्पॉन्डिंग ऑन टाइम।
Well, your channel has been leading the coverage in Sushant Singh Rajput death case, and now we have an agenda-setting investigation coming up in a few minutes from now. The biggest ever expose in the death probe of Sushant Singh Rajput, and that will be up on your channel in just a few minutes from now. Stay tuned. Keep watching the very latest right here on Times Now.